अंजुना एका रेस्टॉरंटाच्या पोरसांत द्राक्षां तशेंच हेर फळांची झाडां रेस्टॉरंट धन्यान लायल्या. द्राक्षां तशेंच हेर फळां आतां जावंक लागल्या. द्राक्षां अजून पिकूंक ना, थोडो तेंप वतलो, मात गोंयांत द्राक्षांची लागवड करूं येता हें एक उत्तम उदाहरण जावन आसा. 6 वर्सां आदीं खंय तांणी हीं झाडां रोयिल्लीं. गोंय हें कलाकारांची खाण म्हूण लोक वळखतालेच. नुस्तें, हुमण, काजू बियांनी, फणस, पोपयांनी, माड, केळींनी फामाद गोंय आतां एप्पल आनी द्राक्षांकय लागून चर्चेंत आसा.
आमी लायला 6 वर्सां जाले पयले. आतां हे पयले पाटी इतले ग्रेप्स येयलो आनी खूब आहा. गोंयांत कितें लावंक जाता. ग्रेप्स आहा, कॉफी घातला, चॉकलेट घातला.
आतां कितलीं वर्सां जालीं हितून?
हे 6 वर्सां जाले केन्ना लायला आमी. 6 years after we planted them.
आतां ही फूल वायट जाली आसत तेन्ना.
हे वायट आनी पुणें ब्लॅक आहा. सो खूब वाडला आमी घातला आनी लायला. फर्स्ट टायम जालें. This is chocolate. This one here is sitapal, cancer fruit now.
Yeah.
Cancer fruit. At the back of Shiva we have coffee growing. Or you can grow anything. You just need love. And cow's urine. With cow's urine we put jaggery. We leave it to rest for 1 day and then we spread it along the plants. But only natural, organic fertilizer we use. Nothing else. I made this garden for the love of growing and for people to see what can grow from the earth. We have much more that can grow from the earth than concrete buildings. We have so much more, and we should plan our lives to grow, because from growing we can see how we can grow ourselves. The soil in Goa is absolutely marvelous. We can grow anything we want. We just need to take time to nurture what we grow. Everything can grow, but in Goa particularly, as you land at the airport, you can understand that it is a place to grow anything you can. So you must take the opportunity to grow.
प्रुडंटा खातीर श्याम सुंदर फडते.